Okay, one of you have been saying scary games, or this is the scary game I found. You thought of like Slender or something, but this is White Nose Online, like Slender, but different person. We'll go into. We're gonna go to this one. This one, this one. Okay, it's loading. Okay, so you have to find all the records. Okay, let's go. I hate games when you have to walk. Slightly What the hell is that? Oh my god, wrong. Ah, where am I going, you freaking thing? So I guess don't go there. So I was taped and I was getting all excited. Sorry about my throat, I just woke up. Seriously, I did. Wait, I just want. Okay, this game is freaking me out a little bit. Whoa. This is just for you guys. I'm scared of scary games. Guys, I don't actually like this. I don't like scary games. Hopefully it will end in a couple of minutes because I'm already 3 minutes. I'm just gonna kill myself. Should I do it, guys? Should I just do it? Okay. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'm out. I just pooed myself.